Hey Cozy Campers, I'm going to be showing you how to make a super warm drink to keep you nice and toasty next time you're camping out in the winter wonderland. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a wassail. Which is a nice warm wintry drink. All you need is an apple, some oranges, some fresh cranberries, cranberry juice, orange juice, and apple cider and a few spices. To make it extra yummy, we recommend using some spices. We've got star anise and cinnamon sticks today, but if you've got things like allspice or cloves, you can throw that in there too. You want to start by getting all of your juices boiling. So we're just going to measure with our heart today, but you want mostly apple cider. That's about good. Next, you want to throw in some cranberry juice. Just about that much. And lastly, some orange juice. Make sure you give it a good shake before. And once you get that nice, beautiful color, you're gonna turn on your stove and then bring it to a boil. While that's heating up, you can go ahead and cut your fresh fruit. Go ahead and just slice your oranges into nice round slices so they look really pretty in the pot. Then you're just gonna do the same thing with your apple. One thing I like to do while I'm cooking, while I'm in the outdoors, is throw my trash in this Luno magnetic bag. That way I can keep my site nice and tight. Once it starts boiling, bring it back down to a simmer and throw in all your other yummy ingredients. Now all you have to do is try to stay warm while you let it simmer for about 30 minutes. And the best thing about it is that there's always plenty to share. Cheers! It's really hot. It's really hot. Buy Luno today.